Hello and welcome back to your trusted health corner. If you are over 60 and you've noticed your muscles getting weaker or your strength declining, you're not alone. Muscle loss with age is real, but the good news is you can fight it. And the best part, you can start tonight, right before bed. Today, we are going to talk about simple bedtime habits, stretches, natural remedies, and vitamin support that can help you maintain muscle and stay strong. 1. Why seniors lose muscle after 60. As we age, our muscle mass naturally declines, a process called sarcopenia. From age 30, we start to lose muscle little by little. By the time we hit 60 or 70, this loss becomes noticeable. You may feel tired easily, have trouble climbing stairs, or notice that your legs feel hollow. This is not just aging, it's lack of proper muscle maintenance. Main causes: lack of movement, poor protein intake, vitamin D deficiency, low testosterone for men, and estrogen for women, inflammation, lack of sleep, recovery. 2. Why nighttime is the best time to fight muscle loss. Night is when your body heals and recovers. During sleep, your body releases human growth hormone, DHEA, critical for rebuilding muscle. If you go to sleep without proper nutrition or circulation, your muscles won't rebuild well. That's why what you do in the 30 minutes before bed is incredibly important. It sets the stage for muscle healing. 3. Pre-bed muscle stretches. Let's talk about a 5-minute gentle stretch routine for seniors. 1. Leg stretch. Seated. Sit at the edge of the bed. Extend one leg. Gently lean forward until you feel a light stretch. Hold for 10 seconds. 2. Arm and shoulder roll. Roll your shoulders 10 times forward and 10 times back. Stretch both arms upward and take deep breaths. 3. Ankle circles. While sitting, raise one foot and rotate your ankle 10 times clockwise, then 10 times counterclockwise. Great for blood circulation. 4. Neck rolls. Slowly roll your neck from side to side. Releases tension and helps you sleep better. These light stretches prepare the muscles to rest, relax, and rebuild overnight. 4. The 3 best bedtime vitamins for seniors. Now let's discuss natural supplements and vitamins to support muscle recovery. 1. Magnesium glycinate. Calms your nerves, improves sleep, and supports muscle relaxation. 2. Vitamin 3 plus 2. Supports bone strength and reduces inflammation. Helps calcium reach your muscles and bones. 3. Collagen plus vitamin C. Collagen rebuilds muscle and connective tissue. Vitamin C helps absorb and rebuild collagen efficiently. Optional. Take with a warm cup of turmeric milk or almond milk before bed. 5. Protein before bed. Yes or no? Seniors need protein for muscle repair, but many don't eat enough. A light protein snack before bed can help your muscles rebuild overnight. Options: half cup of Greek yogurt, almond butter with a banana, a scoop of collagen protein in warm milk. Avoid heavy meals, just light and protein rich. 6. The power of sleep for muscle growth. Did you know poor sleep can shrink your muscles? Sleep is the time your body releases repair hormones. Aim for 7-8 hours of deep, restful sleep every night. Tips: no screens 1 hour before bed, dim lights, and reduce noise. Magnesium tea or lavender oil helps promote calmness. 7. Best herbal remedies before bed. Certain herbs can support sleep and muscle recovery. Ashwagandha balances stress and improves muscle strength over time. Turmeric with black pepper reduces inflammation in joints and muscles. Chamomile tea relaxes the nervous system and helps you fall asleep naturally. These herbs are gentle, natural, and ideal for seniors. 8. 3 mistakes seniors make before bed. Avoid these if you want stronger muscles. 1. Going to bed hungry or without protein. Your body needs fuel to repair muscles. 2. Taking diuretic pills too late. Waking up to urinate interrupts your muscle repair sleep cycles. 3. Watching or using phones too late. Blue light stops melatonin, your sleep hormone, from doing its job. 9. 5-minute bedside routine recap. Here's what your bedtime muscle maintenance routine should look like. 1. Gentle stretches, 5 minutes. 2. Light protein snack, Greek yogurt or warm milk. 3. Take magnesium, vitamin 3 plus 2, and collagen 4. Herbal tea like chamomile 5. Lights off, screen-free sun 6. Sleep 7-8 hours for full muscle recovery. Stay strong, stay active. Remember, muscle loss is not just a part of aging, it's a result of inaction. By taking small, consistent steps every night before bed, you can stay stronger, healthier, and more independent. If you found this helpful, don't forget to share this video with a loved one who needs it. And subscribe for more senior health